There will be times when the theme you select doesn't necessarily have everything you need on it by default. Maybe you've chosen a theme that doesn't have a sponsors block by default, and you need to give your partners some love. Or maybe you need to showcase where your event will be held, and the theme doesn't include a venue block by default. Well, rest assured that you're not out of luck. At least structurally and content-wise, there's probably already an answer waiting for you inside of Splash's block library. There are two ways to add a block to your event page. The first way is to click into the Layout tab, then click the purple plus sign at the bottom of the block tree. This will launch our block library, where you can select a block of your liking, add it to the bottom of the page, and then you have to click and drag that block to the place on page you want it to reside. A faster solution to pinpointing the exact location you prefer to add a block is to hover your mouse in between two blocks you want the new block to be added to. When you do this, the same Add Block purple plus sign will appear, allowing you to click on it right from there. Once the block library is launched, you'll find that we have an amazing array of categories and layouts to select from. Each folder holds around 5 to 10 options. It is definitely worth a designer's time to spend 10 minutes in this section of the tool simply perusing all the options. We never want a designer to feel intimidated about having to create a block from complete scratch, so we give them a number of different solutions up front to give them a positive head start. But if they would rather add a blank block to the page, they can select the folder marked Building Blocks. Also available to them on all public themes is a folder in the top left labeled Recommended. Here, you will find blocks specifically designed for the theme you're using. Now, any block you add to a splash page will look solid by default, since all blocks are completely responsive and designed off the same grid system. But the Recommended folder is a great resource to utilize, especially if you're looking for a block you've recently deleted from the page, like that block from earlier. Boom, check it out. It's sitting here nice and pretty, ready to be added back into our event page. As you advance in Designer Pro, you'll also be able to add custom blocks you've created yourself or other blocks that have been shared with you.